Just a few days ago, billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk dropped a major bombshell, and it's got the entire auto world buzzing. He teased that something monumental is on the horizon, something so groundbreaking it could completely reshape the future of Tesla and the EV industry as a whole. While many thought Tesla had already hit its peak, quietly behind the scenes, they were working on something truly next level, a brand new engine the world has never seen before. How fast is this beast? And how exactly could it shatter everything we thought we knew about electric vehicles? Stick around as we dive deep into what could be the most mind-blowing innovation of the century. But before we jump in, did you know that more than 10 million electric vehicles were sold worldwide in 2024 alone? That's right. With EV adoption soaring across the globe, Tesla has managed to pull ahead of the competition, cementing its position as the ultimate pioneer in electric mobility. Thanks to relentless innovation, cutting-edge designs, and bold engineering, Tesla has captured the hearts and garages of people in over 50 countries. Their relentless drive for excellence has made Tesla the most trusted EV brand on the planet. And just when we thought Tesla couldn't possibly outdo itself, they flipped the script once again. In a recent product reveal, Tesla's visionary CEO Elon Musk introduced a revolutionary new engine, a powerhouse built for the next generation of Teslas that will soon be tearing up the roads. If you thought Tesla was impressive before, get ready because the best is yet to come. It gets even more thrilling. This engine is like nothing you've ever seen before. Once again, it seems like under Musk's leadership, Tesla continues to challenge the impossible. While it's still hard to say what the future with Tesla EVs dominating the roads will look like, we can definitely say we are already being ushered into a futuristic era. As exciting as that sounds, how did Tesla get to this point? Well, in case you didn't know, their origin dates back to 2003, when the vision of creating electric vehicles seemed almost impossible. At the time, only a few countries dared to imagine the possibility of EVs taking over, let alone individual brands. But here we are today. Unlike what many people believe, Elon Musk isn't the founder of Tesla. It was founded by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, who sought a way for EVs to outdo gasoline-powered vehicles. Considering the availability of parts and equipment at the time, the duo were doing quite well. Elon Musk takes over. However, things really started to look bright when Elon Musk came on board in 2004. At the time, Elon was looking for establishments to invest in, and Tesla stood out as one of those promising brands. Upon investing, he ended up becoming the top investor in Tesla. This was how he was able to get the largest shares of the company, and how he became the chairman of the board. Thanks to Elon Musk's financial backing, the company was able to achieve its very first breakthrough through the introduction of a high-performance electric car known as the Roadster in 2008. And even though this was a big step for Tesla, it didn't stop the founders from stepping back off the playing field. In 2008, with Eberhard and Tarpenning off the stage, Elon Musk took over the reins of Tesla completely, with the aim of reshaping the automotive industry. And from recent developments, you can agree that he has done a pretty good job. Under his leadership, Tesla has been transformed into a mass-market company from a luxury car maker, and there seems to be no limit to the level of things the company can achieve. Talking about the level of accomplishment of Tesla, while we can say the Roadster was a stepping stone, it wasn't really their best vehicle. Tesla really started to produce top-tier cars in 2012 with the launch of the Model S. After this model, the Model 3 and Model S Plaid followed in 2017, leading to a more significant commercial success than the company had ever seen or experienced. When all is considered, it's safe to say that it was these EV models that announced Tesla's presence in the EV race. However, the model that truly pushed them to the position of top contenders in the EV industry is the Tesla Cybertruck. That being said, there are a few things involved. If this technology proves to be scalable, it could influence the broader EV industry, compelling other manufacturers to adapt. On the other hand, if any brand by chance should lag behind in the industry, they might have no choice but to shut down their EV workshops in due time. That being said, there are a few things involved. If this technology proves to be scalable, it could influence the broader EV industry, compelling other manufacturers to adapt. On the other hand, if any brand by chance should lag behind in the industry, they might have no choice but to shut down their EV workshops in due time. Mind you, the base performance figures of the Plaid motor are already down. It's just about realizing the vision in a newer model. What better design should be used than the Roadster? If the carbon-wrapped fiber rotor should be properly integrated into the new Roadster model, The performance of the vehicle is expected to be mind-boggling. We are talking speed, power, and efficiency, all in one. The perfect hypercar like none other the EV industry has ever seen. Can you imagine what that means? It means that the Roadster would rival traditional internal combustion-powered hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron and the Koenigsegg Jesko, which have set benchmarks for top speed in the supercar world. While we are at it, let's not forget about how easy it is to handle Tesla cars while driving. For a fact, the steering of Tesla vehicles is one of the best out there. So, coupled with that, we can only expect a fast, road-dominating masterpiece. With the ability to channel the immense power of the Plaid motor to all four wheels, the Roadster will likely offer unprecedented traction and control, making it a thrilling driving experience, both on the track and on the open road. The question is, will these iconic brands be able to make their moves on time and start converting their car models into EVs? Thinking about it, we have to admit that it is pretty much a daring suggestion, but it's simply what it is. So don't be surprised in the future when you start seeing your favorite sports cars with internal combustion engines become vintage vehicles. As we look into the horizon, it's clear that the journey for Tesla, and indeed for all electric vehicle pioneers, is filled with both incredible opportunities and significant challenges. The road ahead is paved with innovation, yet it also demands resilience and adaptability. While Tesla continues to push and break the limits of tech and the performance of EVs, there is a high likelihood that they might face a potential legal and regulatory challenge in the future. Why? Well, it's only logical, because their vehicles are canceling out the speed restrictions. Even though it's pretty good to cut through the air in one of those fast cars, you have to admit it isn't quite safe with other motorists on the road, nor is it safe for pedestrians. Furthermore, the broader adoption of Tesla's advancements, such as the Plaid motor, may require regulatory bodies to rethink emissions testing frameworks, insurance structures, and even infrastructure planning. That being said, the company doesn't really have a choice but to collaborate with policymakers while maintaining its innovative edge in the industry. As it stands, one thing the company is bound to expect is a whole lot of paperwork. However, we don't think it's anything that Elon Musk can't handle. From time unending, Elon has proven that he has all it takes to make a difference in any industry he ventures into, so it might prove to be just another regular Monday in the office. As Tesla continues its quest to revolutionize the automotive landscape under the guidance of Elon Musk, we can rest assured that the automotive industry is in good hands. Fingers crossed as we watch the company drive us into a greener yet faster futuristic era where electric vehicles rule the roads. What do you think about Tesla's new engine? Do you think it has what it takes to redefine the standard of electric vehicles in the automotive industry for good? We'd love you to share your opinion in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, click the next video shown on your screen. You will enjoy it.